Well, this is our final book for today. This is called The Little Engine That Could. Let's start. Chug, chug, puff, puff, ding dong. Along came the little train. She was carrying toys to the girls and boys on the other side of the mountain. In her cars were all kinds of toy animals, even a baby elephant. There were sailboats and drums and dolls and the funniest toy clown you have ever seen. But all at once, at the foot of the mountain, the little train stopped. She could not move at all. Now who would pull the toys over the mountain? Just then, the clown called out, "Look! A little blue engine is coming!" "Please, little blue engine," cried all of the dolls and toys. "Won't you pull our train over the mountain?" "Oh my," said the little blue engine. "I'm not very big, and I've never been over the mountain, but I will try." The little blue engine hitched herself to the train. She pulled and she tugged. "I think I can, I think I can, I think I can," she said. Slowly the little blue engine began to move. "I think I can, I think I can, I think I can." And up the mountain she went with the train full of toys. Finally, the train reached the top of the mountain. "Hooray! Hooray!" cried all of the dolls and toys. "Thank you, little blue engine." The little blue engine just smiled. And as she puffed down the mountain, she seemed to say, "I thought I could, I thought I could, I thought I could." Well, very short story, but very good one.